vlog. We just finished our meal. Seng mo. We are shopping on the mall. Look at this, guys. It's so cute. Very super duper cute. Oh, belanja apa?
Beli Cece punya baju pesta.
Today was exhausting. We go shopping at Trans Studio, but like my leg is kinda hurt. Let's check the view. Actually, this is nice.
Gimana guys? Kita setengah badan saja guys.
Guys, ini kreator Facebook guys. Coba namanya siapa?
Nama saya.
Lagi banyak orang nih guys.
Mana nih guys?
Semua tambah satu-satu ya, ada 5 orang dari belakangnya. Berarti apa?
Wajah saya tadi besar sekali guys.
Silakan menumpuk guys.
Kakak ekornya naik ke sini.
Say something.
I am tired. Tired.
I'm finally back home and I'm ready to sleep. The day was great, the food was great. It's perbaikan gizi. It's all seafood like fish, shrimp, squid. Yeah, squid. And look at this pimple. Ugh. Right here, this one. Bye bye.